Exotic Everum presents you with an unrivaled opportunity to remain in a natural haven surrounded by lush green copse and indistinct fauna. This site is a paradise for nature lover and wildlife enthusiast with a large selection of activities offered. If you have been looking forward to that long awaited vacation and you have had your fill of daily routines, hectic schedules and the hustle bustle of everyday life, now is your chance to break down all barriers and visit the Queen of Hills, where you will find a misty and welcoming atmosphere, clean and refreshing surroundings, green forests, pleasant climate, and clear water stream. So we concentrate and circulate to bring exciting trips, nature walks, fun day out, forest trekking, homestay, tribal explore, basics to premium stays, then school excursions, one day out, family gatherings, and much more. Please do contact us. If you like this video, kindly like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.